LASIK is a procedure where we can correct most forms of nearsightedness, astigmatism, and farsightedness. It's improved greatly over the past 15 or 16 years since I've been doing this. Now we have a very precise laser that will cut to a specific depth, is a lot safer. And then we use a second laser, the VISX Star 4 laser, to reshape the corneal surface to do the correction of the near or farsightedness. So the technology's never been better or more precise. Here at the Mount Ogden Eye Center we use the most recent and state-of-the-art equipment, which we feel gives the very best results and outcomes. It's affordable nowadays, less expensive than it was when we started laser. As a practice, we've been doing LASIK longer than any other practice here in the state of Utah. We started in 1996 and have done a lot of patients and with good outcomes. The procedure itself is relatively painless. The patient is in the laser room approximately 12 to 15 minutes. We create a flap of corneal tissue with an instrument called the intralace, and we create a flap so that the healing is a lot quicker. There's a lot less drops involved than, say, PRK. So when we create a flap, this laser is very precise. It cuts to a very precise depth. We lift the flap, it's hinged up above, we lift the flap, and then our second laser, the VISX Star 4 laser, reshapes the corneal surface. Then the flap is replaced and very little discomfort afterwards. With LASIK we can correct most forms of nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. After the procedure, a patient goes home with these clear shields on, and usually the vision's a little blurry for 2 to 3 hours. But by that evening, the vision's really pretty good. We see the patient back the following morning, and most patients see 20, 30 or better. A lot of patients go back to work the following day, able to resume most forms of activities, exercises. Patient puts drops in the eye for about a week during the healing process. Usually after 2 to 3 weeks, they're really kind of to that final, very clear vision state. So I'm a real believer in LASIK. I was nearsighted and had some astigmatism, and I've personally had LASIK performed on myself. I've performed LASIK on all of my daughters, my 5 daughters and my wife and 3 son-in-laws, so I think it's a great, safe procedure.